Recently nitukoretwo tukiona mvutano wa maneno kuria kiama-ini kia ODM na in previous videos he ndaugite ati you might find that William Ruto's plan is not to bring ODM nigetha makamuthura. You might find that his plan is to divide ODM, divide and rule, and guess what, right now it's working. Kuria kiama-ini kia ODM after MP Charles Sir Charles Ongondo Were passed on na auragirwo haria roundabout iyo ikoragwo hau city mortuary in a very unclear circumstances. Na horo cio no tuthurite ndereti imwe nene muno guku nenda-ini na muno kuri andu ari a ODM ni maroria ciuria nyingi muno cia as to why did he have to die like that? Gitumi kia oragwo na njira iyo ni kiriku, and considering the fact that ni reportete kwe DCI ati muturire wake wi hatika-ini. We saw the governor of Homa Bay, Gladys Wanga, bashing the government na akiuga ati uhoro wa MOU na ODM ndugite ati abunge aitu makoro makiuragwo. Did you guys see that video? It was a video irakorwo igituthura ndereti imwe nene muno andu makiurania is this relationship between Raila and Ruto going to last for long?
The disinformation that has flooded social media, it is not by coincidence. It is well orchestrated, it is well mobilized, it is well funded, it is well run, and the idea is to cover up the murder of Were. That is the truth of the matter. I also want to say that times that we cannot count, Were reported that his life was in danger. He reported here. I know that he even wrote to the Inspector General of Police. And I want the IG of Police to tell us, when Were reported all these issues, what did he do about it? 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 We will not take it lying down. It will not happen. We have counted one too many. But this is now a wrong number. Were had his people. The way Were was killed is like a chicken. He was humiliated. Like a thief. And Were never stole anybody's thing. Were lived in order. His family was orderly. He never stole from anybody. He made his own things, but he was killed like a chicken. I can tell you that IG of Police, you're not going to rest. We are not going to rest. No, and we don't want cover-ups. We don't want stories. We don't want cover-ups. We want to know the truth. Number one truth, what did you do about all the reports that Were made? That's number one. Number two, who killed Were? And why? And for what? That we want to know. And not in a far future, in the near future. And I can tell you, we have said we are working together, but we did not sign up to assassination of our members. We did not sign up to assassination of our members. That we did not sign up to. So if somebody else killed Were, tell us who. Tell us. As the national chairman of the ODM party, I also want to make it very clear that this Homa Bay County and this entire region is an ODM zone. It is an ODM zone. And the next time I see what I saw at the funeral of Koyo, where my party leader is seated and some people have come there shouting, Uda, we will not agree, we will not accept, it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. Not under my watch as national chairman of the ODM party. This is an ODM zone. Na hatutaki madharau. And you can see we are quiet. Unaweza ona simba nyeshewa ukadhani ni paka. Hakuna paka hapa. Hakuna.
Hours after that, turakorwo tukiona brother ya Raila Amolo Odinga umuthi akiyumiria na kuga ati angikorwo hena mundu utare satisfied na memorandum of understanding between Raila Amolo Odinga and William Ruto na ni wa ODM herie ODM. In fact, there is a word he used.
Personally, I am a very truthful man. And I'm pained, I come from Siaya, when my own governor stands up and says that, and he's annoyed. I don't know annoyed with who. He's annoyed. And he says that he just wants to talk the truth. The truth. What truth? Me, I never lie. I always say the truth. And the truth of the matter, Your Excellency, is that we are in broad-based government, not as individual members of parliament, and not as individual senators. We are there in this broad-based government as a result of a resolution of our party, ODM. And the party signed a 10-point agreement with the UDA government, and that all of us were there. Those who are annoyed, who think that this broad-based government is not right, they are actually vomiting on us from within. Why don't they get out and vomit from without? Because we want our party ODM to have a nice smell.
James Orengo akoretwo very significant in William Ruto's political career. Na kuona ati thaa ici arerwo you can as well walk out. It shows that there is absolutely something wrong. So either ODM splits or the broad-based government ends. Which is easier? Darro horo yodrona the relationship between Raila and Ruto is over. Tweterere tuoro muthenya uria riu tukerwo riu it is over. And if it ends now, will William Ruto have achieved? Negukorwo achievete tondu he has left a divided party. Tondu thaa ici nituona Oburu Odinga lecturing Orengo, lecturing the Secretary General of ODM, Edwin Sifuna, lecturing the governor of Kisumu. Akimera, you guys, if you guys are not satisfied with what is happening in ODM, you guys can leave honorably. What does that mean?
As the national chairman of the ODM party, I also want to make it very clear that this Homa Bay County and this entire region is an ODM zone. It is an ODM zone. And the next time I see what I saw at the funeral of Koyo, where my party leader is seated, and some people have come there shouting, Uda, we will not agree, we will not accept, it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. Not under my watch as national chairman of the ODM party. This is an ODM zone. Na tutaki madarau.